Hello everyone, I am Miss Sonam, an early years educator, and today I am here to help you understand about shapes. So let's begin. We see many things around us every day and everything has a shape, may it be plain shape or a solid shape. Let's learn about plane shape. Plane shape को हम 2D shape या फिर 2-dimensional shape भी बोलते हैं. Let's look at each shapes and its sides and corners. First is square. Square has 4 sides and 4 corners. All the sides of a square is equal. Square के चारों साइड जो होते हैं क्या होते हैं? Equal होते हैं, same length के होते हैं. कौन कौन से ऑब्जेक्ट्स होते हैं स्क्वायर शेप के? Next shape is rectangle. Rectangle also has 4 sides and 4 corners, but इसके चारों साइड क्या होते हैं? Equal नहीं होते हैं. इसके opposite sides जो होते हैं वो equal होते हैं. So opposite sides of a rectangle are equal. Now remember, every square is a rectangle, but every rectangle is not a square. And now let's see what are the objects with rectangle shape. Next is triangle. Triangle has 3 sides and 3 corners. All the sides of the triangle may be equal or may not be equal. जो भी sides होते हैं triangle के 3 sides वो equal भी हो सकते हैं और equal नहीं भी हो सकते हैं. Let's see the objects with triangle shape. Next shape is circle. Circle has no sides and no corners. It's a round shape. Let's see what are the objects with circle shape. Next is oval shape. Oval also doesn't have any side or corners. Oval के भी कोई sides और corners नहीं होते हैं. It looks like an egg. Now let's see what are the other objects with the oval shape. Now which shape is this? Let's count the sides. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Object या shape with 5 sides or 5 corners is called pentagon. Now let's see what are the objects with pentagon shape. Hexagon. Now let's count the sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 sides. 6 sides and 6 corners is hexagon. Now let's look at the objects with hexagon shape. Heptagon. Now let's count the sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. 7 sides and 7 corners is called heptagon. Now let's look at the objects with heptagon shape. Now which shape is this? Let's count the sides and find it out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 sides. 8 sides and 8 corners. The shape is octagon. Now let's look at the objects with octagon shape. NonOctagon shape या फिर NonOctagon shape. NonOctagon has 9 sides and 9 corners. Now let's look at the objects with the shape. Now this shape. Now let's count the sides and corners of this shape and find it out. What's the name of this shape? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. 10 sides and 10 corners. This is called Decagon. Now let's look at the objects with Decagon shapes. Now these were plane shapes: square, rectangle, triangle, circle, oval, pentagon, hexagon, heptagon, octagon, NonOctagon and Decagon. Now in our next video we'll learn about 3D shapes or solid shapes. That's it for today. See you in the next video. Bye bye.